Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how you can cancel your AI subscription. For example, you have paid for 1 month subscription and you know the next 2 months is not the season of your business and you don't want to use the platform for the next 2 months, and after 2 months you want to continue using it, then you can cancel the subscription in between this month as well. So to cancel your subscription, you need to log into AiSensy dashboard with your admin access, then go to manage, go to billings and usage, and if you scroll down to the last, you can see there's a cancel plan option. Now, there can be two scenarios. First scenario could be you must be having an AiSensy subscription with your flows add-on included. And the second scenario could be you just have an AiSensy subscription without the flows. So in case you have flows add-on included, and if you cancel the subscription from here, your flow subscription will also get automatically cancelled along with the subscription. But let's suppose if you don't have a flows add-on subscription, then only your subscription will get cancelled. So to cancel the subscription, you just need to click on the cancel plan, and the cancellation will be done on a scheduled basis. So the plan will continue to work until or unless your renewal date is coming. So if you have paid for an entire year, or if you have paid for a quarterly, or if you have, let's suppose, paid for a month, and you cancel your subscription in between, the plan and the platform will be activated for the tenure you have made the payment for. So you can click on confirm and it will schedule your cancellation. So once your tenure gets over, the platform will stop working and it will automatically go to the free forever plan. So as you can see, the cancellation of the subscription has been done. And if you can see, the pro plan is cancelled, and this plan will end on 11th of December 2025, which was the renewal date of my subscription. Now, let's suppose in between you feel like, hey, you need to recontinue the subscription, so you can simply remove your scheduled cancellation from here itself. And if you remove your scheduled cancellation, everything will be back on normal, just like it was before. So it will take few seconds to regain back to the normal state, and you can see your subscription is again live. So if you have canceled the subscription, it will be scheduled for cancellation. And if you want to remove your scheduled cancellation, that can also be done. So this is how simply you can remove or stop your subscription within the AiSensy platform itself. Thank you.